My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger here at Swedish Fika in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you how to make Swedish chocolate balls. No-bake chocolate balls. And it's one of the most easy recipes to do, and you can do them with your kids. And if you go to a bakery or a cafe in Sweden, you can always buy these. And you can decorate them in many different ways. I will do this recipe in grams, because most scales can do both ounces and grams. Start with mixing 200 grams of softened butter, 180 grams of caster sugar, 50 grams of cold coffee, 40 grams of cocoa powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 280 grams of oatmeal. Mix everything until combined and put in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Wash your hands and roll these into balls. And I like them to be the size of 2 bites, but you can do them as small or large as you want to. And you can also use a cake pop maker. And after you roll them up in some shredded coconut or some sprinkles if you want a little bit more spark. This is the size if you go to a cafe, and this is more the home style size. I really hope you like this recipe, and if you want to see more Swedish Fika, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.